What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another iPhone 17 Pro Max accessory video for you. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case with MagSafe and camera control. And the model phone that we're going to be using for a lot of the content on this channel for iPhone this year is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. Right, loving that two-tone, still getting used to how vibrant of a color this is on the Pro Max. But let me know in the comment section below, did you go with the new iPhone this year? Did you go with any of the new colors? Did you grab the Air? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys and chat, have a little bit of dialogue there. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this case. Let's go ahead and bust this open. You get one shot at it. We did it. We nailed it. All right. Pretty minimalist packaging for Apple. Got a picture of the case on the front. Got some hoopla on the back there, nothing too crazy. Pull it out. Right, look at that thing right there. Pop this out. Set it right here for a second. Got your safety and handling, more jibber jabber at a font nobody can actually read. Thank you, Apple, for that. But that's pretty much what comes in their boxes. Nothing crazy. We'll go ahead and set that to the side, and we'll do our first kind of naked look at the clear case. Now, if you've had a clear case in the past from Apple, you're getting that same feel and texture already right off the back on the sides. It is grippy, but based off of the first kind of glance and feel across, we might have some stiffness with this buttons is what I'm anticipating, but we're going to get our camera control. We're going to have all our buttons. We're going to have our cutout here for our camera. Still don't understand why Apple does this. If you know, maybe drop it in the comments and let me know. Probably one of the deterrents of why I don't get clear cases all the time from Apple. They leave the bottom open. And so as we can see, the bottom's still open here. So if that's a nail biter for you on a clear case, Apple still has the bottom open, unfortunately. But then we've got our MagSafe ring, right? And then what people are calling the windowed look. You can see it on the iPhone itself. It's also got that two-tone square. Their clear case has that same two-tone as well. People are calling it the windowed look, possibly accompanying the liquid glass software update, but that's what you're going to get on the clear case. All right, it's going to cover up your color on the back, but we'll go ahead and pop this thing in. Right, and there you have it, the first look. Right, now it actually doesn't look too bad. The window, the white, kind of gives you like that orange creamsicle kind of look with this color. We'll take a look at the sides. All the buttons are where they're supposed to be. The top, you got that 10 up there. The side, ports on the bottom, open. We've got the camera lip protection here. All right, now do the buttons. Now, believe it or not, I might be wrong here. The clear cases in the past have had very stiff buttons. We'll take this off camera for a second. Very tactile buttons this year for the clear case. So if tactile is your thing, if you like tactile buttons, the iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case has some tactile buttons this year, which is actually refreshing. So you can kind of maybe live with the bottom missing here. Maybe you couldn't live without the tactile buttons. You definitely got some nice, clicky, functional buttons. But that's it. Very simple. Other than the windowed panel on the back, there is nothing really new about this clear case. And so if you're wanting a clear case right from launch, maybe your device is getting shipped, you're picking up in store, you're wanting just a nice case to have immediately, Apple's clear case may be an option for you. But again, the price tag on this might be a little bit too much for you. Typically $50 and up for their accessories, depending on where you live, tax, all that stuff. So it might be too expensive. You may want to grab something off Amazon or another marketplace. But if you don't mind the price tag, you don't mind the Apple logo, the new design that they've got for it, this clear case might just be the one for you. It's gonna definitely take me some time to get used to the color. This thing is crazy bright, crazy orange, but I'm loving what we might be able to find in some accessory combinations this year. But that's it for me, guys. Appreciate you guys sticking to the end of this video. If you found this video enjoyable, if you like the content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. If you want to be a part of the community, see more tech related content, more Apple content, lifestyle stuff right here on this channel, go ahead and subscribe and join the growing community. It's much appreciated. But until next time, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.